Tinanong po ako ng asawa ko kung ano daw ang meaning ng salitang Nepo babies kasi yun na lang ang lagi niya nakikita sa kanyang feeds. Ang Nepo babies ay a term used to describe the children of the rich and the famous and who are perceived to have benefited from family's connection, family's wealth, and influence. Ang Nepo ay galing sa salitang nepotism na talamak dyan sa Pinas. Ang nepotism, ito yung act of using your power or your influence to give unfair privileges and advantages to your relatives or family members. Kaya nga dito lumabas yung tinatawag natin na palakasan system. Kung wala kang relative, wala kang kamag-anak dyan sa City Hall or sa DepEd, you will never get the job that you want or you will never get the job that you deserve. Kaya dito din nag-ugat yung paniniwala natin na it's not what you know that matters, but it's whom you know that matters more. So yun, very talamak yan sa Pinas, pero hindi naman lahat ng Nepo babies ay nakadepende lang sa yaman ng pamilya or sa influence ng pamilya, kasi meron din naman mga Nepo babies, in fairness, na kayang gumawa ng sariling pangalan because of their own ability and skill. Yun po.